I'm going to teach you how to do this motion tracking effect in Premiere Pro. Start by going to your effects panel and search Transform and apply the effect to your weather clip. With the clip selected in the effects controls, change the scale value so we have white-black borders. Under the preview window, click on the plus icon and drag rulers and guides to your toolbar and click OK. Navigate both of these by clicking on them. Go to the top ruler until you see this icon and drag it down to your object. And do the same thing with that ruler. Zoom out a bit and reposition your camera so you can see the lines more clearly. These lines are now our reference point. If you want to position, move one frame forward using the right arrow key. Then, adjust the position values so your object is in the center of the lines. Move one frame forward and reposition it. Repeat this process throughout the clip. Once you're done, you should have a lot of keyframes. Now, uncheck Use Composition, Shutter Angle, and change the shutter angle to 360. Click on the next video for an insane effect in Premiere Pro. And if you want the exact project file, comment Project and I'll DM it to you.